How you doing, sweetie? Did you have a good nap? How are you today? Huh? Hi, Esther. Where are you off to today? Huh? Where are you off to today, Esther? Huh? Where are you off to today? How you doing, darling? Yeah. Hi, Esther. Hi. Yeah. Here's the main room that's going to be converted and finished soon for the Macaws. We have materials purchased. Jeffrey's hard at work. You can see the size of the facility. Yeah, Frodo, you're a good narrator, Frodo. Yeah. Frodo's a good story. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Talk? You want to bite the camera? Oh, say hello to the camera. Oh, that's all right. Over here, you like some scratches here. Yeah. That's what a bird likes. That's what a bird likes. Huh? Oh, what's that noise? Oh, what's that noise? Just a noise. Yeah.
And myth the legend. Love them or hate them, pick one.